हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Welcome to our annual function 2025-26. Sit back and relax to enjoy the most special day of the year of Little Millennium Tathav Day.
धरती हे अंबर तुझे गुण गाती हे तारे हे वारे तुझे नाम घेती ही धरती हे अंबर तुझे गुण गाती हे तारे हे वारे तुझे नाम घेती विश्वाचा पालक तू नायक गणांचा गुणातीत गुणमय तू गुरु ध्यानदाता विश्वाचा पालक तू नायक गणांचा गुणातीत गुणमय तू गुरु ध्यानदाता जो शरण तुला आला त्याचा उद्धार तू केला जो शरण तुला आला त्याचा उद्धार तू केला चला मिळून सारे बोला बाप्पा मोरया बाप्पा मोरया बाप्पा मोरया
Wow, that was a wonderful start. It is with immense importance of teamwork. Every participant, whether on stage or behind the scenes, plays an essential role in making this morning memorable. As we gather here today, let us celebrate the spirit of unity and collaboration that binds us together as one school family. May this morning fill us with pride, joy, and inspiration. Once again, I extend a warm, gracious welcome to each one of you. Thank you for being a part of this special event. Let us now welcome our EW stars on stage for welcoming you all with their special performance. A big round of applause to our EW children.
It's special day, we're all so very happy to wish and to you say welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy come one day. Welcome one and all of
remain eternal. Knowledge is the greatest wealth, and guiding light of knowledge is Goddess Saraswati. It is through her blessings that minds are illuminated and paths are made clear. Let us now welcome on stage the wonderful teachers of Little Millennium Tathaude who will present a soulful Saraswati Vandana to celebrate the spirit of spirituality. Ashwini ma'am, Amita ma'am and student representatives across grades to come to the stage for lamp lighting.
For these tiny tots to be on the stage. Trust me, when the lights are off, it's all take their tiny feet. You just enjoy the moment. So I would only request that you also enjoy this moment. That Little Millennium Tathaude teachers and staff, I'm truly proud of them. I work behind the scenes, but the work which goes on the ground, I'm sure आप सब वो रेगुलर देखते होंगे teachers and Little Millennium Tathaude team how they are working for your children. So please place your trust in them always, and with lots of love, let's just let the show begin, right? You don't want to hear a lot of things, right? You're waiting for children or not?
Friendship is a bond that goes beyond blood relations. It is a connection formed not by birth but by choice. It grows through shared laughter, unspoken understanding, mutual respect, and unwavering support. A true friend stands beside us in the moment of joy and holds our hand in the times of difficulty. Friendship teaches us some of the life's most valuable lessons: trust, loyalty, empathy, and forgiveness.
Dear parents, teachers, supporting staff, and our tiny tots. I'm thrilled to welcome you all for the most awaited event of our preschool, that is the annual day. It's an honor to see so many smiling faces here today. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, our regional manager, academic manager, Ms. Veena Bhagat ma'am. Thank you for coming, thank you for gracing this event with your presence. Our little ones have worked super hard for today's event. From cute songs to energetic performances, they are going to wow you. Their confidence level has soared and we are thrilled to see them shine. That's the best reward for us today. As we gather here, we are reminded of the incredible journey our little ones embark upon. From their first steps to their first words, we have watched them grow and flourish. And today we are here to celebrate their milestones, achievements, and the joy they bring to our lives. At Little Millennium, we believe school is a home away from home. Here we nurture their creativity, curiosity, and confidence. I want to take a moment to acknowledge the hard work and dedication that has gone into making today's day possible. All my dear tiny tots, our support system, Amita ma'am, my coordinators like Janvi ma'am, Diksha ma'am, all my amazing teachers and unsung heroes, that all my supporting staff, that all my didis. Because of them and that they have done tirelessly, they have worked for this event to make this event memorable. A big thank you to our choreographer, Dhaval sir, that for bringing out the best in our little stars. Last but not the least, thank you dear parents for your support and trusting in us. So let's cheer for our little ones and make some unforgettable memories. Thank you.
We invite you to travel with us into the treasure that lives in our memories, our Marathi cinema. In 1913, Dadasaheb Phalke released Raja Harishchandra in Bombay. This was the first film made in India. The next segment, remarkable acting range. These artists were not just performers, they were cultural icons who reflected the spirit of Maharashtra through their art. Their films entertained families, united audience, and created memories that continue to live on. Let's welcome on stage our RTF My children for their special dance performance to give a tribute to our Marathi legends. A big round of applause for RTF 1 class.
हिरवाने सरगहा भक्तीने जीवन सफर करा मस्तीने मन सरगम छेडा रे जीवनाचे गीत गारे धुंद गारे नवे पंख पसरा उंच उंच लहरा नवे पंख पसरा उंच उंच लहरा फिर गारे गीत गारे धुंद गारे
Let's give them a big round of applause. With unwavering determination, farmers teach us some of the life's greatest lessons: patience while waiting for crops to grow, courage during uncertain weather, and gratitude for the earth's blessings. Their hands may be rough from labor, but their contribution is priceless. Despite facing many challenges, they continue to serve the society selflessly. They are the backbone of our country and the true providers of sustenance. Through this presentation, our performance paid tribute to these silent heroes, celebrating their dedication, honoring their sacrifices, and expressing gratitude for their invaluable role in our lives. Let us bow our heads in respect and appreciation for those who ensure that no home goes hungry. Presenting a heartfelt tribute to farmers by our RTF2 children, the hands that feed the world. Do enjoy the performance. Presenting before you RTF2. has its own color, rhythm, and expressions. The rustling of leaves is its music, the flowing rivers are its melody, and the blooming flowers are its vibrant costume. Nature entertains us, nurtures us, and sustains us silently every single day. Long before cameras captured stories and stages showcased talents, nature was painting masterpieces across the sky, composing melodies in the forest, and choreographing rhythms in the oceans. Nature is the original artist, the greatest creator, and the most generous provider. Nature does not ask for applause, yet it performs tirelessly every single day. It gives us fresh air to breathe, water to drink, food to eat, and shelter to live. The sunlight energizes us, the rain refreshes us, and the soil nourishes us. Every tree planted is a promise of life. Every drop of water saved is a step towards sustainability. As we celebrate this treasure today, let us not only admire its beauty, but also accept our responsibility. Protecting nature means protecting our future. Let us honor and preserve this priceless gift because nature is not just around us, it is within us. Let's welcome our little ones of Emerging Wings with a big round of applause.
स्वर्गात आकाश गंगा गंगेला सोनेरी
where music had soul, dance and style, and fashion made bold statements. From classic melodies that still touch our hearts to energetic beats that made generations groove, the echoes of yesterday continue to inspire us even today. Retro is more than old songs, it is a reminder of cultural roots. It reflects traditions, creativity, and a timeless spirit that connects generations. It teaches us that while times may change, celebration and artistic expressions remain eternal. Up next is a soulful and inspiring song that speaks of supporting one another through every twist and turn of life. Its uplifting rhythm and heartfelt lyrics encourage courage and companionship. Even today, its iconic tunes bring smiles and nostalgia the moment it begins. To continue with our retro celebration, let's give our RTF1 children a big round of applause.
हवा के साथ साथ घटा के संग संग हवा के साथ साथ घटा के संग संग ओ साथी चल
classroom into a kingdom and a playground into a world of adventure. Even as adults, when we hear songs about childhood, our hearts instantly travel back to those carefree days. The innocence, the mischief, and the pure joy of being young remains some of the sweetest memories of our lives. And now, to celebrate this golden phase filled with laughter and dreams, we present a delightful childhood theme song that captures the spirit of fun, friendship, and endless energy. So get ready to clap along, smile wide, and relive those beautiful days where every moment was simple and full of wonder. Let us welcome upon stage the tiny tots of Emerging Wings to showcase their dreams. A big round of applause for Emerging Wings children.
से पर्दे करो किनारे खूंटे से बंधी है हवा में लिखे छुड़ा सारे आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपनी ही रंग लेके आसमां का शाम आना आज हमें है सजाना क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू मौसम का है मेहमान तू वो दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए खुद को जरा पहचान तू धूप है छाँव से बिना तू है नदियों के खबर बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं दिल खुश जहाँ तेरी मोहब्बत से
and our little shining stars. I, Diksha Chaudhary, welcome you all to the graduation ceremony of Little Millennium, Tatavade 2025-26. Today is very special day and emotional day. Our tiny toddlers who once held our fingers are now ready to spread their wings. Let's welcome our graduates with big smiles and louder claps as they enter with their best friends for a special ramp walk. Keep on cheering and motivating them. Please give a big round of applause.
Grateful for you, my biggest fan. You see the best in me, more than I ever could believe.
Keep motivating, keep clapping,
We
keep
thought
applauding.
that time would fly, but you always be my guiding light. Taking me to dinosaurs, making your life is never a bore. You make me cry, make me smile, make me feel that love's worthwhile. Thank you for your endless care and the love that we both share. Through the years, no matter the strife, you always put my days in light. Worried if I'm safe and sound. Oh, you are my best friend around. Thank you for running by my side, pushing me through every stride. You say it's me
From crayons
running
to
faster, fears are
from fear
gone.
to cheer.
If one day our lives must part, you'll still be my best friend in heart. In heaven or wherever we roam, with you everything feels like home. You make me cry, make me smile, make me feel that love's worthwhile. Thank you for your endless care
Keep on
and the
motivating.
love that we both share. Through the years, no matter the strife, you always put my needs in life. Worried if I'm safe and sound. Oh, you are my best friend around. Thinking back to how we met, remembering the day we said, singing hand in hand each day. Do we meet you and me? Come on, May. You make me cry, make me smile, make me feel that love's worthwhile. Thank you for your endless care and the love that we both share. Through the years, no matter the strife, you always put my needs in life. Worried if I'm safe and sound. Oh, you are my best friend around. You make me cry, make me
Give a big
smile.
round of applause. Dear parents, today we celebrate not just graduation, but growth. Growth in confidence, communication, kindness, and curiosity.
We are here to sing and dance. We are here to play and sing. We are here to read and write. We are here to become the
I will always make my parents and teachers proud. Thank you. Touch the stars up in the sky. Thank you, teachers. Thank you all. We will make you proud and tall. Hip hip, hooray! One more. Hip hip, hooray! Today, they are not just graduate. They are stepping into a new world of dreams.
What's up? Jungle boom boom parade. In the jungle, hear the sound. Drums are booming all around. Elephants stop, monkeys play. Let's all dance the jungle way. Jump like a kangaroo. It's the jungle parade and it's starting. Boom boom. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Everything with colors bright. Tigers twirl from left to right. Hippos bound, giraffes say hey. Everybody shout hooray! Boom, 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 boom. Jump like an elephant, boom, boom. Wiggle like a chimp, boom, boom. Jump like a kangaroo, it's the jungle parade and it's calling. Shake your tail like a peacock proud. Roaring big, be wild and loud. Step, step, spin around. The jungle beat is jungle sound. Stomp like an elephant, boom. Wiggle like a chimp, boom, boom. Jump like a kangaroo. We the jungle parade.
Whoa, what an energetic performance!
कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना, अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना। अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना, अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना। अब जो भी हो सोना बन के पत्थर है पिघलाना, अब जो भी हो बादल बन के पर्वत पर है छाना। कदमों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
And it's my pleasure to present the annual report of the academic year 2025 and 26. Our vision to enable, energize, enhance childhood by fostering growth of mind, body and spirit, which will enable them to become lifelong learners and leaders of tomorrow with strong values and skills. Our mission is to nurture young minds in a culturally appropriate environment and provide opportunities that will help them realize their true potential. Our philosophy is to provide each child with a culturally appropriate environment, values, love, and protection needed to grow healthy in body, mind, and spirit. Our stimulating environment and scientifically based curriculum nurture the roots
and laid the foundation to help every child achieve success in all phases of life. Curriculum 2.0. This year we have introduced Curriculum 2.0, in which we focus on overall growth of the child based on 7-petal approach like fine motor, gross motor skills, cognitive development, language development, socio-emotional skills, life skills, phonic-based reading program and STEM activities. Along with this, we follow eclectic approach where we use different kind of teaching methods like Montessori method, project method, playway method, theme-based learning and multiple intelligence where children learn through play and hands-on activities. This year, our tiny tots discovered and grew through their themes like friendship, colors and nature. They enjoyed story time, art, music, dance and sports activities, developing essential skills and making memories. So here is a glimpse into our preschool journey. Orientation Day. Orientation helps children and parents familiar themselves with the school environment, aiding the transition to preschool. First day of school marks the beginning of a new chapter, building excitement and confidence in young learners. Music Day fosters creativity, language development and emotional expression through rhythm and melody. Father Day celebration. On Father's Day, a preschooler and their dads bonded over a fun-filled cooking session, whipping up tasty treats together and strengthening their special relationship while learning the value of teamwork and collaboration. International Yoga Day introduce children to mindfulness, flexibility and healthy habits. Doctor Day educates children about health, hygiene and community helpers. Palki celebration. Ashadhi Ekadashi celebrated in our school with enthusiasm, learning about unity, social awareness and devotion. Guru Purnima celebration instills respect for teachers and the value of knowledge. Earth Day with plantation and mud fun promotes environmental awareness, responsibility and hand-on learning. Culmination. We organize Culmination Day for parents to experience their child's daily school life, showcasing our engaging teaching methods and happy learning moments. Friendship Day and Raksha Bandhan celebrated together to encourage socialization, empathy and bonding among peers. Colors Day celebrated by our preschooler to explore vibrant, huge colors like red, yellow, blue and green and fostering creativity, recognition and self-expression through fun activities. Janmashtami celebration introduced children to cultural traditions and storytelling. Independence Day celebrated along with Grandparents' Day, learning about patriotism, internal bonding between grandparents and child and cultural values. Ganesha idol making workshop arranged by school to encourage creativity, fine motor skills and cultural connection. Ganesh Chaturthi celebration, Onam celebration, Eid-e-Milad celebration teaches children about cultural heritage and community celebration. Teachers' Day celebration develop leadership, skill, appreciation for teachers and role reversal experience. Literacy Day celebrated to understand the importance of reading, writing and language skill. Little Scientist, our school hosted a Little Scientist event to empowering young minds to explore, experiment and explain their innovative projects, fostering scientific thinking, presentation skills and curiosity. Navratri celebrated to foster cultural awareness, music and dance. Gandhi Jayanti teaches children about national heroes, values and history. Dasera celebration introduces children to mythological stories and moral values. neighborhood skills, social awareness, and community understanding. Diwali celebration teaches children about festivals of light, sharing, and kindness. Fort making activity connects children with history, culture, and architectural exploration. Field trip. Dear field trip to allow musical garden where child can connect with nature, music, and exploration. EW field trip went to the fire station where children learn about safety, community helper, and emergency services. RTF1 kids visited to the science park and learned with curiosity. RTF2 children visited to milkmaid factory. Children understood of food production, process, and community. Children's Day celebrated with enthusiasm. Our little ones learn about responsibility, empathy, and animal care of the pet show. Annual Sports Day was a thrilling event, promoting physical fitness, teamwork, and healthy competition among students, with everyone participated with great enthusiasm. Makar Sankranti, Christmas Day, Republic Day celebrated with zeal, fostering unity and joy among students. At our preschool, we nurture minds through engaging activities like public speaking, sports activities, fun-filled games, warm welcome activities, STEAM activities, daycare adventure, free play, and joyful birthday celebration, all centered around the philosophy of learning through play. Little Millennium Team, our school strength. Little Millennium Team, our school strength lies in its dedicated team which grows stronger each year, truly making it the backbone of our thriving Little Millennium family, where every member contributes to our success story. Achievements. Gayatri Ma'am, kudos to Gayatri Ma'am and Manisha, that's me, for being crowned Star Performer of the Year 2024 and 25 for their outstanding teaching. Overall Excellence Award. Ashwini Ma'am's tireless efforts and dedication have paid off, as Little Millennium Tathode shines with the excellence in running a successful preschool, a true testament to her unwavering passion and commitment to early childhood education. As we wrap up our annual report, and let's enjoy the remaining show. Thank you.
Thank you.
into making sure everyone feels seen and appreciated. Under our guidance, Little Village in Kathauke isn't just a place of learning, it's a community built on kindness and care. We are so lucky to have a leader like you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for being there for us.
Hardworking, dedicated, passionate Janvi ma'am. Please come on the stage to take the award.
they are at their home away from our home. Thank you teachers, everyone, thank you so much.
Call upon stage Anvik's mother for her feedback.
My name is Aditya Bhagadurkar. This is the second year that you have been coming here for the annual function. If I can compare with the last year and this year has been very diverse. I was able to see a lot of improvement compared to the last year. The management was very good. And most important of all, both parents and children enjoyed it. I can say based on my experience. So I'm really looking forward to the next year annual function also. Thank you.
Being with Little Millennium from the very first batch of them, and I would say that the experience was excellent. The teachers, the mousies, and everyone are